Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to do a reverse effect on your videos using the Capcut app. Now in this page, it shows the video I compressed. I'm going to open it. Now in this page, you might want to click on the video you just recently compressed. And the bar below shows the different options and effects to apply in your video. You might scroll right, and you might see a reverse button and click. You're under the process of reversing your video, so you might wait until this process is finished. Once the reverse process is finished, you might want to check and see your video that is already on a reverse effect. And that's it.